All right, so we are live now. There's usually about a 20-second delay, so I'm waiting for the video to show up on this side, but we are live, and I'll let you guys start joining in. We got an epic announcement today, absolutely epic, something that I have been waiting for a very, very long time, and I'll get out of the way so you guys can read it well. And it's Shopify and Manychat next level integration. So I don't know if you guys are excited. I'm waiting to see if people are joining, if we are officially live or if we're not live. It doesn't show up over here still. So hopefully it is. We're in the right place. Let me check on this.
Everyone from Instagram says hello.
Great. Okay. Hi, guys. Warning output in progress. Okay, fine. I think we're fine. But it doesn't show up over here still. Let's see. Is today Friday the 19th? It is, right? If anybody knows that I am live on Facebook and I don't know it myself for some reason, please let me know, guys. Yep, I actually am live. I see that. Great, guys. Fantastic. For some reason, it wasn't showing up over here, but I see you guys here. I see the comments now, so let me start saying hi. Ron, Maria's here. Agustina, question for you guys. Can you hear me? Very important question. Can you hear me? I know you can see me because I can see myself. Look, I got my big iPad over here, right? But can you hear me? Yes, live on Facebook, says Perla. Fantastic. I am live. Okay, good. Yes, I am. Very good. Emilio says, I've been waiting for this moment quite ago. Super thrilled. Henry says, I'm stoked as I'll be working with Shopify merchants to introduce and integrate Manychat into their marketing. Wow, what a great timing, guys. This is absolutely the perfect time. I can tell you one thing. I have been a Manychat advocate for years now, all right? And if you guys have followed me for a while, if you're on my list, if you have seen my content, if you have done my courses, all right? If you have seen anything about what I do, you know that Manychat is a big, big area of attention for me in my marketing efforts. It has been for going back 2017 now, right? I built Dr. Eric Berg's Messenger channel, which has millions of subscribers on it. I built my dad's Messenger channel, which also has millions of subscribers. Probably two of the most powerful Messenger channels on the planet. As you know, if you control a big list, you can determine if you get sales or not. If you don't have a list, it's very difficult to scale. That's why Amazon brands don't have the same opportunity that an e-commerce brand off of Amazon that has their own list. When you have your own list, you control your own destiny. When you rely on Amazon only, then Amazon determines your destiny, right? Obviously, you have to work on the account and you have to be a good Amazon seller. But generally, if you don't put the action into building a list, you're always going to be a liability. Manychat is a list building machine. And I have had first-hand experience on that particular platform. And it was a messenger platform first. And at some point, a year ago, about a year ago now, probably about 10 months or so, when Michael Yang, the CEO of Manychat, announced the multi-channel world, the omni-channel world, and messenger marketing became chat marketing, then it became that much more powerful, right? So it's not only messenger, it's also texting, and it's also email. One single platform does all of those things: texting, emailing, and sending messages on Messenger. So now Facebook Messenger doesn't control your destiny, you control your own destiny. So Manychat has been a list building machine for a long time. What they were lacking, one of their weaknesses, which is, they had so many strengths that this is something that you had the patience while they developed it, was the ability to integrate with e-commerce and make it an e-commerce friendly platform. And I have been waiting for this for a long time, so the day has come, and this is now available for you guys to utilize. And on this particular Facebook Live, I have a lot of you guys right here. Thank you for being here. I want to give you a breakdown about what this announcement is. Because I am so close with the Manychat staff, and because I'm such a big fan of them, and I promote them so much, they give me a little bit earlier access to what everybody else gets, and I get to find out things before you guys do. So I have been excited about this for a long time, but I haven't been able to talk about it because I had agreements that wouldn't let me talk about it with you guys, right? With my students, with my followers, with like people on my list. This is the first time that I can officially talk about this right now, but make no mistake, this is the single biggest advance in the world of e-commerce that we've had in a few years now. And Manychat has become that much more valuable to any e-commerce entrepreneur. Particularly, as you can see on this particular slide, we're going to be talking about Shopify, all right? This is a Shopify-only webinar. So if you guys have Magento, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, OpenCart, or other areas of e-commerce that are not Shopify, this is not going to be fantastic news for you, but it might give you an indication as to the direction that Manychat is going towards, so you can also get excited because it's quite something, all right? So I'm going to give you guys, I expect this to be about a 20-minute segment. If you guys are here and you're enjoying this so far, I want you guys to do me a favor, all right? Do me a favor. Spread the word, okay? Hit that button that says share and help me reach more people. Help me help more people. And just so you guys know, I'm going to be covering the slides here. I have 24 slides that I want to cover in the next 20 minutes or so with you guys. Since I'm in my whiteboard, some of the things that I'm going to show you guys might not be that clear. All right, I'm on Instagram Live right now. I'm on Facebook Live. But for those of you guys that are on Facebook, I want you guys to leave a comment. If you leave a comment, whatever it is, tell me who you are, where you came from. Tell me that you're interested, that you have a Shopify channel, that you already are doing Manychat, whatever it is that you want to tell me. And I promise you, I'm going to send you these slides right here, all 24 of them, so you can look at them at your own pace on demand. All right, so these slides right here are going to tell you the exact details about this upgrade. What can you do? How does it benefit you and your e-commerce brand? And what are the incredible opportunities? And I'm also going to give you an example and use cases about all these things that Manychat just rolled out yesterday, all right? This is, again, right now as I'm recording this, it's 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the United States in Friday. Yesterday at 3 p.m., Manychat launched this whole thing, so now I'm allowed to talk about it. But I can tell you that I haven't been this excited about marketing, and I haven't been this excited, even though I have been expanding for the last year. The last few months with COVID-19 have been massively expanding for me and my brands and my agency. But right now I can tell you that I haven't been this excited about marketing in so long. So let's get to the nitty-gritty of the details here. Okay, so Tim, even if you're a beginner, you want to stick around and listen to this because you will be able to understand the potential of what I'm about to describe to you guys, okay? So Alberto says, we hear you. Pearl says, Friday. Yes, it is. Look at that. Amanji is from Iraq. Wow, all over the world. Pearl says, is it only Shopify? Yes, this is only Shopify today, all right? Victoria, thank you for sharing. I appreciate that very much. You guys that are joining us live, make sure that you hit that share button because we're going to help small businesses across the world. As you guys know it, that is my mission. If we come up with tools like that Manychat is making us have access to, we can become more successful easier, all right? And that's what it's all about. All right, so let's get to it. Okay, great. So I'm going to show you guys what this is all about. The first thing that I want you guys to do is that there is a couple of steps, very easy steps, for you to get Manychat and Shopify integrated, all right? You're going to get an integration done. Now, if you're an old-timer on the Manychat Shopify world, you're going to be like, but Manuel, come on, dude. I already had Shopify and Manychat integrated. No, cancel that. You're going to have to reintegrate it again because it's a brand new, fully updated, next level, ridiculous integration. It's going to make whatever integration you had before become a joke. Literally. This is like something else, right? So how do you get it integrated? There's a couple of steps. Obviously, I'm an affiliate for ManyChat, so I like to promote my own links. When you use my link to get your own ManyChat account, which is basically, for those of you guys that are newbies and you don't know anything about ManyChat, consider ManyChat Constant Contact, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, Infusionsoft. It is a CRM. It is a customer relations management software that allows you to communicate to your customers via Facebook Messenger or via texting or via email, all in the same single central platform. That's ManyChat. I'm a big fan. They have been exploding, and I have been riding the wave with them over the last few years. These guys are incredible. So if you want to set up your ManyChat account and you haven't set it up before, or let's say that you do have it set up, this is the easiest way to get it regardless. ManuelSuarez.com. If you don't know how to spell that, ManuelSuarez.com/ManyChat Shopify. One of my guys, one of my staff, whoever is here, go ahead and comment below this particular link and we'll get that pinned. ManuelSuarez.com/ManyChat Shopify. So if you guys are joining in late, we're going to be talking about ManyChat and Shopify integration. Please go ahead and spread the word, share this particular Facebook Live, help me reach more entrepreneurs that need help during this very difficult time. Okay, so ManyChat and Shopify integration is a brand new thing that just got launched yesterday. And how do you get it integrated? You go to ManuelSuarez.com/ManyChat Shopify, you go to settings, and then you go to integrations. You can see here, once you go to ManyChat and you sign in, you're going to see, for example, your Facebook page, right? In this example, we see USA Natural Slim, right? And then we see over here settings, okay? And on the settings, I'm going to change the ink color because the blue one is not that great. I'm going to go to red. And you can see settings, and then they're going to see integrations right here. And again, if you guys want to download the slides, all you got to do is comment on this particular Facebook Live. And also you got to share it. I'm just kidding. You don't have to share it. But you do have to comment, right? Now, if you do share it, you get extra bonus points with me. That's only spiritually. But if you want to get the slides, all you got to do is comment on this Facebook Live now, and you will get these slides so you can go step by step on the 24 slides that I put together for you guys. Integrations, and then over here is the Shopify integration steps. All right, so you can see Shopify. You're going to enter your domain. You're going to connect your Shopify account, and off we go in the Shopify ManyChat integration. And it's eliminating the complications of having to add a lot of codes, having to add a lot of different technicalities and complications to it. It's just basically connecting those two things up, and now we have these unified platforms working in a symbiotic relationship. Okay, so you're going to see over here, it's going to give you an option, it's going to give you a warning, and it says, ManyChat hasn't been reviewed by Shopify. Whoa, that's a lie. It has, because they're working together. Ignore that warning, and you're going to go to install unlisted app. Once you install the unlisted app, it's going to get that integration to happen. You're going to have to click that install unlisted app, otherwise you're not going to get this integration to happen. Okay, good. And then you're going to have a lot of things. So let me go over a couple of things that are going to happen with this incredible integration. So if you guys are here again, if you're joining us live, okay, so Alfad says I need the slides. Okay, good. That's all you have to do, comment, all right? So again, if you guys want the slides, just comment below and you will get the slides, all right? Again, no offers. I'm literally going to just give you the slides. Jules says can't post the link, but anyone who comments will get the slides and the link via Messenger. Okay, got it. All right, we'll see. Let me see if I can post a link, all right? I'm going to try to post the link myself. Let's see if that lets it get in. Manuel Suarez. Sorry, guys, I'm not used to typing on the iPad, so I'm a little slower on this one. Actually, not without the keyboard. .com/ ManyChat Shopify. Maybe Facebook doesn't want it in there. I don't know. We're going to find out. Let's see. I'm going to try. No, it can't share the link. For some reason, it says that it goes against community standards. Sometimes Facebook likes to do that. Just comment and you'll get that directly delivered to you guys. So you can see ManyChat sales dashboard over here, and it's going to show you. I just realized that if it's not letting the link come through, it's not going to let it also on Messenger. Same thing. For some reason, it has been flagged. So if you guys want to access it, you have to type it in. ManuelSuarez.com/ManyChat Shopify. One word, okay? So ManyChat sales dashboard, you're going to be able to see conversion events. So over here, we just set it up. So you can see how many conversions have you had inside the dashboard. You're going to be able to see from the Shopify orders how many are coming in here. So you can see now you're going to have data inside ManyChat directly as to what's happening from your campaigns. So a few of the new key features with this integration. Shopify coupons. That's super cool. More details to come. Shopify store widgets. I'm going to give you examples of all of these during the webinar today. Updating Shopify triggers. I'm going to explain that to you guys in a second. But for example, if somebody adds an item to cart, instant trigger. If somebody scrolled 30% of the website homepage, trigger. If somebody has an exit intent, trigger, and so on and so on. Those are triggers that can now make things happen inside ManyChat because of those things happen in your Shopify. Pretty incredible, right? Shopify product catalog. This is like next level, guys. I have been talking about dynamic product ads for ages. My best performing campaigns on Facebook advertising. Across the board, the champion of return on investment has been dynamic product ads. This is dynamic product ads now, a version of that for ManyChat. The catalog is going inside your ManyChat account right now, and whatever happens on your shop, ManyChat gets that data. Example, somebody bought XYZ product. Now you can say, hey, just so you know, ABC product also matches really well with XYZ, and you can do that on a text message, on an email, or on a messenger broadcast like that within the 24-hour windows and just operating based on Facebook rules or texting, etc. There's a lot more to it, just to give you guys an idea. Updated abandoned cart reminders, right? Some of the most important marketing campaigns for any e-commerce entrepreneur is abandoned cart campaigns. The most profit that you're going to get on any retargeting is going to be from getting those people that added the items to cart back into that cart. These guys are going to consistently be your best performing campaigns. Now you're going to have a whole series of abandoned cart reminder templates and funnels and triggers and things to set up. Shopify customer contact and data import. Whoa, so wait a second. So are you telling me, Manuel, that whenever somebody buys something on Shopify, that data is also going to be stored inside ManyChat, and I'm going to know what they bought, when they bought it, when was the last time they bought it, how much they bought? Yes, you're going to have that data now inside ManyChat with this integration. Are you starting to get the big picture here, guys? All right, so if you guys are just joining us live, we're talking about ManyChat and Shopify, massive integration. If you want to get access to these crazy, incredible, insane slides, I'm giving it to you. All you got to do is comment on the Facebook Live, and I will send them over to you. And if you want to get it integrated, ManuelSuarez.com/ManyChat, ManyChat Shopify, ManyChat Shopify, and you're going to be able to get this thing integrated through my own affiliate link, and you get 1 month free of ManyChat Pro account. All right? Okay, so what else? Action requirements for these features. Account requirements. You got to have a Pro ManyChat account. Do not set up a free account and then tell me, Manuel, I don't have access to abandoned cart reminders. You lied to us. Well, you have to pay ManyChat a little bit of money in order to get access to these features, all right? You can set up a free account, and you can have a free account up to 300 subscribers, but you're not going to be able to go ninja if you don't have this set up correctly, all right? You have to pay to play the ManyChat game correctly. Shopify store, if you don't have one, you got to create one. They've been running a promotion to give you, and I don't have the link with me right now. Maybe one of my guys can post it in the comment, but I believe that we have a link that gives you 90 days free of a Shopify account. They used to have a 14-day trial. They moved it to a 90-day trial because of COVID-19, and they're helping small businesses transition to the internet world with a 90-day free trial of a Shopify account. Shopify, if you don't know what it is the simplest place and way to create your own e-commerce with dragging and dropping and clicking and posting, etc. Super, super simple to do. So that's your own e-commerce. And then you're going to do an integration between Manychat and Shopify, which is going to be done via the settings integration. And all you got to do is follow my link to get that set up. All right, good. So what else? Store widgets. Let's talk about those specifics right here. So what are these store widgets? With the new and updated integration, your Shopify customers can now easily opt into Manychat and receive communications via Messenger, SMS, and or email. You can communicate to them, all three of them, in one single platform at the same time, or you can decide whether you want to communicate to them via email first and follow up on Messenger and follow up on text. All that stuff can be done. Is incredible the amount of potential that you have with this platform. So communications via Messenger, SMS, and or email, and you can do very simple strategies to get these people to opt in. For example, join a VIP club. Let me give you some examples right here, actually. I think I put together one for you. So Shopify stores, as part of this particular upgrade, you're going to be able to send order updates. This is part of the widgets. I'm going to give you an example of that in a second. Abandoned cart reminders, product suggestions or product catalog. Hey, here's another product that might help you guys. Hey, here's another one. Hey, you haven't bought in 30 days. It's time to refill, and so on and so on. Promotions, coupons, right? Here's a 10% for you to come back, right? I want you to come back. You haven't purchased from us in the last 90 days, right? Or here's a 20% Father's Day discount just for you for the entire catalog. Automated coupons being sent through the Manychat platform. Not only that, I'm going to give you specifics on that, but they're going to be personalized. Absolutely, completely personalized. Okay, guys. So let's see. Are you guys following along? Okay, Rain posted the free 90-day trial on Shopify. ManuelSuarez.com/Shopify. All right, if you guys want to check that out. 90-day trial. Oh, Ansar says they switched back to 14 days. I'm sorry about that, guys. Have they switched back to 14-day trial? Yep. Can I use the slides for marketing? Not sure what you mean by that. Okay, guys, so help me spread the word, all right? Hit that share button right now so you can help me reach more people that I haven't had a chance to help yet. Okay, so check this one out. Answer frequently asked questions with a customer chat. This has been upgraded. It has been available for a while, but it has been massively upgraded now with the integration of Shopify and Manychat. Abandoned browse. Look at this one right here. If they only viewed the product page but didn't purchase, are you kidding me? So it's not only abandoned cart anymore. If somebody views a product page and you have actually managed to get that person opted into your Manychat because you offered a VIP club, or you gave them a mini course or a resource, or you did something ninja to bring them in, you can now communicate to them, even if they haven't added an item to cart and they just browse. Hey, I noticed that you were browsing and you were looking at this particular product right here, your Magic Mag Natural Slim product, or whatever it is that your brand is. I wanted to give you more information. Here's an FAQ video. Here's a testimonial video. Just by them looking at that page, that's close to voodoo magic, right? Well, that's what we have right now with this integration. A little bit of a voodoo magic setup over here, right? If they only view the product page but didn't purchase, you're going to be able to actually communicate with them like that. So what else? Recommended widgets, add to cart modal widget, customer chat widget, and SMS modal widget. Meaning that if you invite them to a VIP club through text, you can also have them chat with any of you guys and get notifications instantly and give them frequently answered questions. And add to cart modal widgets, which is basically also like when they add the item to cart. This is where I see one of the most important areas on e-commerce. This is where I see the biggest potential. And I'll give you an example. If somebody adds the item to cart, I don't know if you know this, but over 50% of people on e-commerce that add items to cart do not purchase. So when somebody adds to cart, how about if you instantly tell them, hey, would you like me to keep you up to date about your order? I can easily do that. Click below to opt in. Don't you think you're going to have a great conversion rate of that? Because at that moment, they're adding to cart because they're feeling the impulse to buy. You get them to opt in, and whether they actually convert or not, then later on you can be, for the ones that didn't convert, hey, just following up over here, I know you added the item to cart, you wanted me to update on your order, but you haven't completed the purchase. Here's the link to come back to purchase. 20 hours later, I noticed that you still haven't purchased. I'm going to give you a coupon because I want to make sure that you don't miss out on this great opportunity. Here's a unique coupon just for you. 10% off your order. Come back to cart. Whoa, right? Powerful stuff. So this integration of the add to cart is an overlay widget that will appear based on a certain trigger. So for example, you can copy your offer should be attractive enough to have the customers opt in, right? Something that is actually valuable for them. And in the widget offer, the order updates or invite to special VIP club could be a great opt-in opportunity when they add an item to cart, right? Use cases, actions, send out abandoned cart reminders, discounts, order status updates, and product recommendations. Trigger options, what can we do? Add to cart, exit intent. When they scroll a certain percentage, that's a trigger. Inside the flow construction of ManyChat, you can determine when this thing triggers inside ManyChat. When somebody adds the item to cart on Shopify, or when they try to exit the page on desktop, or when they scroll 30% of that page, or seconds pass after the person actually opted in for something, or scrolling to an element, like somebody that actually went to a particular element, that's going to require that the person has a target ID. Okay, so moving on. Actually, let me show you this example right here. So you can see here, we have for one of our brands that we manage. So we have a message. We had them opt in, right? And the opt-in says, wait, don't miss out. This is actually on the exit intent. Click the button below to join our VIP club and get access to free research sets to help you improve your metabolism, exclusive VIP only offers, and more. You click on keep me updated right here. And then that person has already opted into your ManyChat channel, okay? The same thing is for somebody that added the item to cart. And you go ahead and you say, you recently started an order in our store. You talk to the person in first name, but it seems you haven't had a time to place it yet. Don't forget to check out now while everything's still in stock. Complete your order now and get free shipping. Enter code 𝗠𝗢𝗗𝗦2019 to give you an idea, right? That is actually an add to cart item that you can add. We just have to update this to make it 2020, obviously, right? Because we already middle of the year. Okay, so ManyChat has pre-built flows. They make it easy, guys. Check this out. They're making it easy for you guys because they have pre-built flows. For example, if you go to ManyChat and you're in the flow section over here, there's a flow section. You're going to see at the top all these pre-built templates. Customer chat widget, abandoned cart reminder, add to cart pop-up, product review, shipping confirmation, order confirmation, right? This is how you can start creating all these flows. For add to cart, select add to cart pop-up. That's how you're going to get that thing to work. Okay, good. Let me see. Are we following along, guys? What do you guys think so far? Anybody excited about this? Answer says reading ninja stuff. Give me some live, guys. Let's see. Let me see the comments coming in. What are you guys thinking about this already? Are you already getting some ideas? Are you thinking about getting this already implemented? Are you already started implementing this? Okay. Tim says, how does ManyChat know to send a message if the person doesn't give their info? I'm confused. Tim, they don't. They have to give their info. You have to come up with ways of making these people opt in. For example, if somebody adds the item to cart, that creates a trigger inside ManyChat that immediately brings in a pop-up. And it says something like, hey, I want to, before we move forward, I want to make sure that I get you opted into Messenger because I'm going to be able to give you data about your order. All right, so click the button below to so I can have a chance to keep you updated. One time, they have to opt in one time. You can offer them order follow-ups. You can offer them a free resource. Let's say, for example, that they try to exit. And you say, hey, before you go, all right, I want to invite you into a special contest that I put together in which you're going to be able to win a lifetime supply of XYZ product. Are you interested? All you got to do is say yes, and I'll get you opted in. And when they do that, you have that info, and Manychat connects the two. And at that point, you can get all those integrations to happen and all those pop-ups. You have to develop some ninja ways to get these people interested in opted in very easily through SMS or through Messenger. There's many ways that you can get these people opted in if you think about it and put some energy behind it. Moe says, I started implementing Manychat with Shopify and in the process of building a flow that will send traffic to and capture email and phone number. Fantastic. Edward, order tracking is going to be there. Yes, it's part of it. You're going to be able to track orders inside Manychat and see what's going on and give follow-ups to it. That's all going to be there. So for example, how do you set this up? You're going to update your widget title, description, image, and trigger. Create your welcome message once they opt into Messenger. For example, if somebody opted in to get order follow-ups, all you got to say is like, great, you've been opted in. I will keep you posted in regards to your order. As simple as that. That's a welcome message. Okay? Next thing is to create a new flow. This time, it will trigger for abandoned cart. Number one, click on starting step and add your trigger. Starting step, and you're going to add your trigger. All right? Over here, if you download the slides, which again, if you guys are just joining us, all you got to do is comment here, and you will get access to the slides. These slides are yours if you comment on this Facebook Live. Starting step, add the trigger. And then your next step is the Shopify over here, right? Select Shopify and then choose abandoned cart as a trigger. That's your new flow. Starting step, trigger, and then Shopify, abandoned cart. And we're going to go to add a time delay. Delay is up to you and how long you want to wait before you send a reminder after a person adds the item to cart and has abandoned it, right? And set a condition to check if cart is paid true. Right? So check that out, right? So you abandon cart, first step, smart delay, you set it up as you want. Maybe it can be 15 minutes, maybe it can be an hour, maybe it can be a day, whatever you want to set it up. You got to do your own testing. And then you're going to do a next step, which is a condition. Card paid is true, right? If the card paid is true, that means that that person is going to get that next message and it's going to trigger that abandoned cart, right? So this is how your flow works. If the condition is true, then send an upsell. If false, then trigger the abandoned cart message, right? If the condition is true, it's going to send an upsell for another product. If the condition is false, meaning that the cart is not paid, then you can send out the abandoned cart. Look at it over here. So if it's true, we go over here and we send them a message. Thank you for your purchase. Here's another product that we know is going to help you with your results, all right? Oh, they haven't paid it? Hey, you forgot your cart. Why don't you go back and buy it? Here's a coupon. Make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity, right? And then it goes on like that. You can do another wait for 5 hours. And then if it's true, do an upsell. If it's false, do another abandoned cart reminder. You get the idea, guys? Pretty cool stuff. Okay. Let me try to move for this a little bit faster. Again, you guys can move through this particular live training again or download the slides. Comment below and you'll get the slides yourself. Customer chat widget. This widget adds a customer chat style widget to Shopify to get Messenger subscriber opt-ins for future communications and appears a chat icon on your Shopify storefront. This is a customer chat widget. You can have it in place to answer people's questions and have automated interaction with people or real live communication with them, depending on how you want to set that up. You can actually answer common questions or FAQs, chat with support for customers, and send out future offers or reminders once you have people opt in to that particular chat feature. This one is a super cool one, and this is also brand new, SMS Modal Widget. You can actually do something like this. Wait, don't miss out. Add your phone number below to join our VIP club and get access to free resources to help you improve your metabolism, exclusive VIP-only offers, and more. So now we have a Manychat model, right, over here. People enter their phone number, and we get them to opt in. So the first message on ManyChat is going to be through text, and we can even bring them back to Messenger and now have a message subscriber and a text message subscriber, just like that. So that's really ninja. This widget captures customer phone numbers on Shopify, product pages, or add to cart pages, and gets SMS subscribers to opt in to communicate via text messages with customers. The widget offers order updates or invite to special VIP clubs. And where can you use it and how can you use it? Send out abandoned cart reminders, discounts, order status updates, and product recommendations through ManyChat. If you guys didn't know that, ManyChat is extremely competitive in the rates to be able to text message people. They charge you 1 cent for every text message, which is at the bottom of what all other companies out there charge you. All right, so it's very affordable. You bring subscribers through text and Messenger, and it's a platform that is going to be competitive with any platform out there in regards to pricing, and in many things it's going to be way cheaper than most of them out there. Trigger options. How can you trigger this box of SMS opt-ins, right? How can you trigger it? Very easily. Just like we showed you guys about triggers. When somebody adds it to cart, right? When somebody has an exit intent, if they scrolled a certain percentage, if certain seconds pass, if scrolling to an element, right, and they get to that element, you can actually have that also pop in and extract the person's phone number and get that connection to happen between ManyChat and Shopify. A few updated Shopify triggers here, guys. New abandoned product browse trigger, right? So if somebody this is brand new, if somebody's watching a product, if they're browsing, even if they don't add it to cart, you can have triggers that send out follow-up messages at a certain time, half an hour later, 2 hours later. Hey, I noticed that you were interested in XYZ product. I want to show you this testimonial. I hope that you like it. This person, their lives dramatically changed with the use of this product. And you control this audience, guys. You control it because it's inside your either text message or your messenger, and you can send them communications that maybe on Facebook, your ads might not get approved because you cannot make claims. You cannot do before and after pictures, for example. So, for example, on a weight loss company, that you cannot do a before and after testimonial on a Facebook ad, you can do that on a Facebook Messenger trigger with ManyChat, all right? Gives you some ideas right there. Updated abandoned cart triggers, right? So also, that's updated, that's fully updated. There's a lot more to it. You can actually do a lot more triggers in here based on people abandoning their carts. Again, like I said towards the beginning of the seminar, of the webinar, that's one of the greatest opportunities for all e-commerce marketers out there. The ability to convert people that added items to cart but did not follow through to purchase. Placed order triggers. Guys, that's super cool, right? Somebody completes the order. You can say, thank you very much. I want to invite you to my Messenger community. In here, I'm going to keep you up to date and then give them follow-ups about shipping. Great news, your order has been shipped. Great news, your order has been delivered. Let me know if you have any questions. Here's a list of commonly asked questions. Here's a list of recommended practices with the use of this product. I hope that you get the most out of it. And now these people become brand ambassadors because you provided value. You did not only sell products, you provided value to them and you cared for them. So that's an opportunity right there. Fulfilled order trigger, right? Your order has been fulfilled. It has been delivered. It's there. Enjoy it. Let me know if you have any questions. Customer service is here to service you. Even when you have bought products from us, we still want to help you, okay? So here's an example of abandoned product browse trigger. So you can see here, abandoned product browse trigger. That's the way it looks. Triggers for all products. This reminder should be sent 1 hour after a customer abandons the product browsing. That's how you set it up. This now allows brands to set up automated reminders or messages for customers that opted in and have browsed a product page but did not add to cart. Whoa. Guys, let that sink in for a second, right? So customers that opted in, right, they opted into your VIP club, to the lifetime supply, to the mini course, to the resource that you want to give them for free, to the roulette that you put together so see if they can test their luck, to whatever it is that you want to do, to an event, to a webinar, whatever they opted in for. You can have so many different things that you can have people opt in for. Well, when they opt in, if they go back to your website and they browse a product, you have that customer data now in ManyChat, and triggers get created and conversations occur instantly based on people just browsing and looking at things. That's a big deal. So what's the exact use case? Set up an automated message reminder, retargeting with product view to remind customers, provide more information like an FAQ video, and bring people back to the product. Wow. So let's see, guys. I got a lot of you guys in here. Who is blown away? I'm super curious if I'm just talking and you guys are not excited, all right? Super curious about it. Who is blown away? Who's excited? I know there's about a 20-second delay in Facebook. Claudia says, abandonment browse is the cool stuff. So many ways to use this. OMG, you got it. That's the right reaction, Claudia. On my program, Claudia, I know you're part of my coaching program. By the way, 𝗪𝗚𝗠𝗘𝗦𝗧𝗔𝗠𝗣.com/coaching. That should be it. We're going to be covering the exact implementations of all these things step by step next month at some point. All right? This is crazy, says Moby. Yes, super excited. Julian says this is amazing. Suarez says me. Andrea says it's awesome. Okay, great. Did you guys help me share? Did you guys help? There's a button right here, okay? There's a button, right? And it says share. You see that button right there? It just says share. All you got to do is hit that button, and you guys have the power to help me help more people. That's power that you have in your hands. All you got to do is click on that button. I think it's 2 clicks, right? That's it. 1, 2. That's it. Let me go ahead and share it, right? 1, and where am I going to share it? Let me share it on the Facebook message. Boom. There. Gone. Okay? Or let me share it in my profile. Okay, good. I'm live. And then, here we go. There. Okay. Super simple to get it done. All right? Okay, guys. Let's go. Let's see what else we got. I said 30 minutes, but surprise, surprise, right? Place order trigger. This now allows brands to set up automated order updates for customers that opted in. Automated order updates. So that's the place order trigger. Use case, set up an automated message, order updates, and cross-selling or upselling to customers. All right? So it says over here, trigger goes off when a customer completes the checkout process and creates an order in your store. Wow, that's super cool. Okay. What else? Fulfilled order trigger. Trigger goes off when an order status changes to fulfilled. This now allows brands to set up automated messages letting customers know that their orders have now been fulfilled. Same as the place order trigger, right? That's the same use case. Okay, Shopify coupons. This is one of the ones that I'm the most excited about, guys, by the way. All right, it's super, super cool. Look at this one right here. Get ready, all right? This is super ninja. I can tell you this is the thing that got me the most excited. Why? Because you can create a coupon that will automatically sync with your Shopify store, right? First of all, inside Manychat, right? So you can have the campaign name. For example, we're going to call it Summer Giveaway. And what do we want to have? Do we want to have a unique coupon or do we want to have a static coupon? It's the same coupon that works for everybody else, right? Well, let's say that we want to have a unique coupon. Send unique coupon. One person gets a unique coupon for each subscriber. And check it out. Set up a one-time use coupon code that will send unique codes to each subscriber. You can also customize them by adding a prefix. All right, let me just highlight this. You can also customize them by adding a prefix. I know you cannot read that thing right there very easily. If you guys want the slides, you can download the slides by commenting on this Facebook Live, all right? That's going to be just for you. Discount value, 10%. Whatever you want to do, right? You can even have a dollar value discount, $2, $5, whatever. Coupon has an expiration date. That creates scarcity, right? It's going to expire. Coupon will expire after 10 days, 1 day, 5 hours, whatever you want to do, right? Prefix. This is my favorite part right here, okay? Optional. You see how it says Manuel? It says Manuel. So check out the link right here. Check out the coupon. It says Manuel TF 2L8SV4. Don't try to go use my coupon, guys, right now. It's only 10% discount, by the way. Manuel TF 2L8SV4. So how cool is it that I can add the name of the customer to every single coupon now? Personalization at its best, all right? So that's something that you can do in here inside Manychat just like that. Create a campaign, off you go. So check it out. This is how it works over here. I'm gonna get out the picture here for a second. Here's your 20% off for your next purchase. For example, this is a 10% action. This should be 10% just to follow along on this route. And then you enter the actual message over here. And then over here, it's gonna have select a coupon campaign. And we're gonna have summer giveaway. Summer giveaway, and it can be like the 10% thing, and off you go. You can add that coupon right there. It's gonna personalize it just for them. Pretty cool, right? Okay. We now have the ability to create unique and personalized coupons directly inside Manychat that will automatically sync with your Shopify store. You can do unique personalized coupons. You can do one-time use coupons. You can create urgency by having coupons expire. You have new tracking inside Manychat. Track total revenue, total discounts amounts, total number of coupons sent and applied, and track when the last coupon was sent. Wow. And check it out, guys. It's not only Messenger. It is supported on SMS and on Messenger. You can do it on SMS and Messenger. Unique coupon distribution, personalized at its best, all right? Why don't you guys set it up for Father's Day right now, right? What a great opportunity to get this set up right now. Absolutely. Shopify product catalog. I told you guys a little bit about this already. So check this out. Your catalog is now from Shopify moving into Manychat too. You're going to have it inside Manychat. So if somebody buys a product on Shopify, that data goes to Manychat and you know that user bought that product, which gives you the ability to offer an upsell about another related product. Or maybe they actually bought that product and that product needs to be refilled. So you can automatically set up campaigns with your catalog to let people know, hey, it's been 45 days. I want to let you know that I'm giving a discount right now. I know you always order this product. Here you go. Go ahead and purchase it right now before it gets too late and you run out. All of this can be set up with the Shopify product catalog, okay? So here you're gonna be able to connect this thing. So for example, does user match all of the following conditions? Doesn't contain all of the individual products or the entire catalog over here. Select products over here, you can see that we have My Natural Slim catalog, Magic Mag, Testosterone, Candy Septic, Stress Defender, Vitamins, Fem Balance, Cat Sorb, Cocoa. All of this right now is inside Manychat. So that's a first. That began yesterday, guys. So super, super exciting to have that available right now. And trust me, I'm going to go ninja with this. And I'm going to tell a story. So you either jump on the story with me and tell it with me, or in a few months, I'm going to tell you the story of how I took this to the next level. And I was able to create a massive expansion on my e-commerce brand while you sat on the sidelines and didn't do anything. All right, so it's up to you. This can be used after the Shopify triggers: abandon product browse, abandon cart, place order and fulfill order to send a catalog feed of products. Key features: send a gallery of products browsed by customer, right? You can send them the products that they've been browsing and more data about that, right? Because you have that data. Gallery of products added to cart by customer, right? Specifically about products that they've added. You can tell them information. Hey, you've added these products to cart. Let me give you more information about each one. Offer new products to the customer, right? That the catalog is going to be inside. New products to your customer. Guys, it has been historically proven that it's 7 times easier to convert an existing customer than to convert somebody that has never purchased from you. This opens up the door for you to be able to continue selling. By the way, I just got announced yesterday. Here's an announcement. The Manychat team, which I love to death, one person announced to me, all right, her name is Tamila. She announced that AGM won. We won something last year too, the most engaging bot in Manychat 2019. This year, nobody knows this, not even my staff, all right? We won the award for the highest recurring revenue bot, all right? Most recurring revenue bot, all right? So this is an award that means that we have created messenger channels, Manychat channels that generate a lot of income and continuously generate income, all right? So something for you guys, AGN, that, again, you guys didn't even know that, right? So we all are finding out together. Send out discounts to customers to complete their purchase and then offer dynamically through Manychat related products. related products. Wow, guys, that is next level stuff. I'm telling you, I'm already ordering my guys to get all this stuff set up. At AGM, they're all, a lot of them are watching here right now. Some of them are in meetings, but they all have to get this integrated on any Shopify channel right now. I'm already working aggressively with my Natural Slim brands and other e-commerce brands to make sure that we have all this thing integrated so we can provide a lot more value to customers, get them more educated, more FAQ, more information, more upsells, more downsells, more cross-sells, and off we go because there's a lot of opportunity in the midst of all this chaos. For those that take advantage of and look at those opportunities, we can actually leverage them and grow and expand, which is what it's all about. Okay, guys. Woo! Yeah, Ron says very long, 20 minutes. I get it. For me, 20 minutes are generally an hour and a half, and my guys will tell you so, all right? That's the way it is. Hopefully it provided value. John, if you commented right now, you should be getting the invitation on Messenger to download the slides. If you guys want these slides, all you gotta do is actually comment on this Facebook Live and you will get the slides in your Messenger. That's all you gotta do, all right? All right, guys, there you have it. That is a ManyChat Shopify announcement. If you guys wanna set up your own ManyChat account, I'll say this one more time over here. I'm gonna write it in the wall really big. ManyChat. Nope, Manuel Suarez.com/ManyChat, MANY, Shopify. If you go to that link right there, guys, you're going to go directly to the Manychat Shopify integration page. And if you sign up to the Pro account, which starts at $10 a month, you're going to be able to get 1 month free of that particular platform, which is Manychat, all right? You're not gonna pay for it until next month. But it's going to be, the question is here, not how much money it's gonna cost you, but how much money you're gonna leave behind if you don't jump on this incredible e-commerce wave that we're all riding right now. It's coming, guys, with or without you. So are you gonna jump on it, or are you gonna be on the sidelines? All right, guys, that's it. See you next time.